Today's videos are on these Korean products. So let me start with this video. Hello friends, I am Honey. So this is the first product, Peri Ink Airy Velvet in the shade 04, and this is the swatch. Now let me show you how this looks on my cheeks. So here you can see how beautifully it is blended without any patchiness. Now the second product is from Peri Ink V shading in the shade 02 Cocoa Brown, and let me show you the swatching of 3 shades. It has all the 3 shades for contouring, bronzing and highlighting. So the first shade is contouring and the second is bronzing and the third one is for highlighting. This is how the blending looks. It looks very natural as the people in Korea don't prefer high contouring and bronzing. They prefer natural looking contour and bronzing. And the third product that I'm using is tint from Etude House, shade number 02 Cherry 8. So this is how the tint looks, and here my review ends.